model, 2017 Vauxhall Combo Doblo 2000 Cdti genuine low mileage spares or repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 62,215. Engine, 1,248 cc 1.3 Cdti 95 PSE6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash due to this. The engine will need replacing or repairing, easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074